Hello YouTube family, welcome back. If you're new here, I am Jackie with Mamma Mia DIY and Treasures. Today is an Amazon bead jewelry making tool kind of haul. Excuse the way I look, but stuff came in, I've been cleaning, and I wanted to share these to you guys so I could get started in making some bracelets. So let's get into the video. So what I picked up first is this one step big looper. And what this does, don't have any wire out here, do I? No, I don't have any wire. But it makes like your eye loop. So I saw someone on YouTube using one of these, and see, he makes these, and I wanted to try them. So when I get some wire out, I'll do a video on how these work, guys. So I picked that up. I wanted some beading needles, and I picked up a 4-pack curved beading needles. That's what. Oh. Super long, but all the elastic that I have right now is way too big for these needles, so I'll have to see about getting some thinner elastics. And let's see, one more tool, and it is a bead spinner. And Shop LC, delivering joy. Looks like this. So this spins, you put your beads down in there, and you just hold your needle and they'll get on your needle. So this, and it was made in India, I think it said. Handcrafted, made in India. But I can't wait to use it. It spins wonderful. So got that, and it came with a little bit of elastic and a beading needle. So there is my bead spinner, and I'll do a video on how to use that also. Next is just all alphabet beads. Got that. I wanted to do some patriotic. So here you got round beads, you got clay beads, you got some seed beads, some alphabet, some more alphabet, red and blue with white stripes, red, white, and blue clay beads. So you get a nice variety in there, and you get spacers and elastic. So that one up. This one is more beached theme. So here's an example of the bracelet you can make, and then there's all the colors. You get some little charms and spacers and some gold beads, a little thing of elastic. So there's that one. And I'm thinking ahead to Halloween. So There's ideas of making you Halloween. Again, you got some charms, some letter beads, and then all of your orange, purple, black, green, and white clay beads. So that one. More of thinking about fall and Halloween. So I've got these colors. And this one I got with Christmas. So you got your red, green, and white, and then your red, green, and white mixed together. You had some alphabet beads, and then all your spacers in silver and gold, some charms. So that. And I got this container of spacers. So that. And then this one came together. So a box of beads. Again, fall in mind, but here's some colors that could be used for the summer. But you got the army green, the browns, these three here are a mixture of colors. You got some spacers, a little pair of scissors, some elastic, some tassels. So that, and then the next box that came with this is all alphabet. You got 2 packages of colors, and this is numbers, and you also get some elastic. So this kit, and the last kit I got is patriotic. Sorry for the glare. So just red, white, and blue. The alphabet beads are USA. So that, and I did already start a bracelet in this one. So this, and then I can get them to lay down, USA. And I just got to measure to see if it's the right length, but that's what it would look like. So can't wait to start using all of these beads, and I will be doing some videos of making some of the bracelets. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share with your family and friends, and if you're new here, think about subscribing and becoming a part of my channel. As I always say, I wish you a blessed day, a blessed night, a blessed life, and I shall see you in, you got it guys, in the next video. Bye guys.